Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can get your invoice or receipt from the Uber app, whether this is Uber Eats or Uber Ride. It's practically the same thing once you are in your Uber app. Of course, you need to be signed in. And if you look towards the bottom of your screen on your Uber Ride, you're going to have home, services, activity, and account. So if you've been using your Uber account quite often, if you go to activity, right? You're going to have a stir of activity or your history here and choose which trip that you want a receipt from and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you're going to have an option to select a receipt from that. And then after you select a receipt, you can either, pretty much your original receipt is the best one. And after that, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you're going to have an option to download as a PDF, automate business expensing, resend email. A lot of people just download the PDF to your phone or just send it automate business expensing and you send it via email. So that's pretty much how you do it. And yeah, pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.